First of all, open CM2 MTK2. Now select the base of Xiaomi, then choose CPU type G70 and G80. Now press and hold both volume keys, then plug in the USB cable. Do nothing, just phone keep aside. These steps are most important, so don't skip any step of this video. Now select NVDATA and NVRAM and wipe both partitions. Now move to wipe selected by right key. Double click on right no file selected. Select the downloaded NVDATA.bin. Double click again on right no file selected. Now select second file NVRAM.bin. The third file is md1mg.bin. Double click on right no file selected and then select the file. The third file is md1mg, is engineering modem. After the select all files, then move to right selected by right click. Press on right selected now. All done, the session has closed. The phone is powered on by a power key. Follow these steps how to enable USB debugging. Tap 7 times on MIUI version. Now go to additional settings. Scroll down and open developer option. OEM and USB debugging should be enabled. Plug in the USB cable and use Camera Pro tool. Now repair the serial number. Copy the correct official IMEI number and paste here or write manually. Now the phone is automatically powered off. The phone is powered off. Unplug the cable and connect again. By key, press both volume keys. Do nothing, just phone keep aside. The phone is unlocked from no SIM or emergency service.